Hi, everybody. Robin Miller here with the KyCPA for your weekly roundup, the week of March 6th. Happy to see you all here. It was a crazy weather weekend and on Friday, so hopefully everybody is okay, as is your house and your power and all of those things. We've got a lot to talk about. This week, we have the CPA mock exam on March 9th. We've been talking about that for a couple of weeks. If you know anybody looking to sit for their exam and needs some practice, that's the way to go for that. March 17th, of course, is our CFO Roundtable. So if you haven't had a chance to sign up for that yet, please do so. Remember, that's a new date. We talked about this last week. We've changed the date and time for those meetings for the Roundtable. Additionally, you may not know this, but we have a whole bunch of ways that you could take CPE that's a little bit different than how you normally take it. We have gamified CPE. And what I mean by that is we have all of these simulations and ways that you can get your CPE by playing a game and getting incentives and rewarded that way. You get engaged in tasks and challenges. And it's just rather than just passively consuming your content like you might do in some other ways. That's an important way to learn too. But this is a more fun way maybe for you where you can learn things like investigating and reviewing, interviewing and verifying, applying skills, and then kind of various assessments through gamification. Of course, we are still renting out the Gratzer Education Center, so you might want to check that out if you haven't had a chance to do that. And then in terms of communication is what I was trying to say next. We have a great tool for you, and that is our Knowledge Hub, full of communications and downloadable content for you in a variety of areas related to the accounting industry. So check that out on our website. That's called Knowledge Hub. Lots of great things you can find in there. Of course, we appreciate you. We love having you as a member. Have a great week, everybody.